Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I will let you know how limits works in Instagram and how can you get help through these limits on your Instagram. So guys, you can see you can limit your unwanted interactions on your Instagram. If you feel like you are being harassed, you can temporarily limit unwanted comments and messages. Limiting is similar to restricting but helps you manage harassment from groups instead of individuals. So as if you feel being harassed, you can limit interactions on your Instagram by turning on limits on your Instagram. So guys, here I will show you how can you turn on or turn off limits on your Instagram. So guys, close this window and go back to your home screen, and from here just simply open your Instagram, and from here just tap on your profile and again tap on three lines, and from here tap on settings, and from here tap on privacy, tap on limits, and from here you can turn on or turn off your limits on your Instagram if you want. So this is very simple and basic. If you want to turn off limits or turn on limits, you can simply turn on or turn off limits from here. So hopefully you have understood the limits and how it works on Instagram and how can you turn on or turn off limits on your Instagram. So that's it for today's video. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.